How to delete Roblox group mobile. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. This is extremely simple, so let's jump straight into our video. First things first, you want to make sure that your Roblox application is up to date in order to acquire the group category inside Roblox. Right after that, you can just go ahead and open up the Roblox application. And once inside Roblox, you want to navigate through the bottom of your screen, and from there you will then go ahead and see the more button. Now inside more, we have different categories inside Roblox. You can just go ahead and navigate through the group section, and inside groups you can then go ahead and navigate through a group that you want to remove or delete. Now right after choosing that specific group, you want to make sure that you remove each member from that group, and the Roblox group will be automatically deleted. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.